how to invite non-friends or friends to follow your Facebook business page. So if you want to invite non-friends or friends to follow your Facebook business page, then first you need to open up your Facebook and make sure that you've logged into your account. Now, in order to invite your friends or non-friends to follow the Facebook business page, you have to log into your Facebook profile, or you have to invite via your own Facebook profile, which is your individual personal profile. Now go to the search bar, which will be on the top right. Tap on the search. Now from the search, you need to search for your business page. Now, for example, I've chosen a business page. Once you've selected your business page, you will have a 3 dots icon, which will be on the right side of that business page. Tap on the 3 dots. And now you will find an option of invite friends. Tap on invite friends and then select the friends that you would like to invite. If they are not your friends on Facebook, then you can search for friends. And after searching, you can select the person. And after that, go with send invitations, which will be on the bottom. And in this way, you'll be able to invite non-friends or friends to follow your Facebook business page. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.